Okay guys, today we're doing a Rizzing people up at my school with sound effects.
We are going to
go beat that bitch at J ass right now.
What's up everybody? Today we're doing Rizzing people up with a speaker at our school game. We're both going to be mic'd up. We're going to go up to girls, say cringy pickup lines, say some cringy stuff, then play like a Riz song. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, as you saw in the intro, my nipples were hard. It's pretty cold. So basically I tried to put tape over them. That didn't work. It didn't work. So I don't know. I gotta live with it, I guess. Is it rolling? Is it rolling? Excuse me, I have a question for you ladies. Is math hard?
Yes.
It always talks about X and Y, but never you and I.
Treat me like my teeth.
It didn't fucking play.
I won like it's
Oh, I guess I did. Damn.
Oh, I should follow for you. Yes, it did.
Ow! Oh God! Ow! I skinned my knee. I'm so sorry. I skinned my knee.
How your arms get skinnier?
Hey, are you Asian?
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to see what else is nice and small.
Get the fuck away from me, Tyrese.
Go undefeated, so black and then I'm bleeding.
That was so ass. You have to go to a girl.
Exactly.
Oh! Ah! I skinned my knee. Falling for you. Are you going? Is it rolling? Is it rolling? Ow! Ow! I'm sorry. I skinned my knee. Falling for you. Do you guys believe that love at first sight, or should I walk past again?
Can you not record us? Yeah, wait, that's very rude.
Don't go so close. Okay. Ah! I'm sorry, I skinned my knee. Falling for you.
Is it going? Alright, Kendall, what do you rate this fine gentleman right here?
20 out of 10.
Will you all like to exchange numbers?
Nah.
Will you give him a fine pickup line?
Yeah. Are you a parking ticket? Because you've got fine written everywhere.
What do you say to that? What do you say to that? What do you say to that?
Hey.
I said you have ketchup on your feet.
Slap.
Slap.
Slap me.
Alright, look, fuck that shit.
Oh God.
Oh, bro, fuck that cousin.
I know that got bread in his pocket.
Boom! Fuck out of here. Call me back.
Can I get on your YouTube video?
Sure.
Hey guys, so make sure y'all go follow my TikTok.
Yeah, I'm not putting that in. They can't even hear you. Mike's over here. Bro, okay, you're gonna.
So make sure y'all go follow my TikTok.
What is love?